Let's start this video off with a tip. If you're someone that applies your beard oil in the morning, and then as the day goes on, you feel like the scent, the fragrance, aka what you smell from that beard oil is fading or dissipating away, but you want it back. You need that like midday lunch break boost and it's not there. All you need to do is get your beard damp. Whether that's with a spray bottle, a misting bottle, a little spritzing, or even just get your hands in the sink and kind of splash your beard, or with damp hands run it through your beard. When you do that, pop, whoa, you're gonna be amazed at how much that scent comes back to you again. It's like it's back to life and can really give you that boost that you need. Well, in this video, I want to explain why that is happening. I don't know why, but I just find this stuff interesting. It's cool that it happens, but I really like to take a look at what's going on to make that possible. So we'll go over all that, but first, you guys know I gotta introduce myself. My name is Dan C. Bearded, and I appreciate you guys checking this video out. There may be some new people here. Welcome, you guys. If you like beard care or really anything about beards, consider subscribing. And thank you to those returning subscribers out there. And before we exit this intro, if everybody could hit that thumbs up on the video for me, that does mean a lot and it's absolutely free. So let's explain what's going on. First off, we got to talk about the products. Beard oil. Beard oil is scented either with essential oils or fragrance oils or a combination of both. Most beard companies, a vast majority, use some blend of both of those. However, there are some beard companies that use only essential oils, and there are some that use only fragrance oils. Now, this is a personal preference situation. There's not a good, there's not a bad. I have like a 5-year-old video where I go into detail about the differences of them. Again, it's totally up to you. Now, this principle works for any of those combinations, but I will say it's much more potent with fragrance oils than it is essential oils because of how their molecules are structured. Now, what is happening is your beard oil has two parts to it. It has the carrier oil blend and the fragrance blend, the smell blend, the scent blend. The carrier oil blend is for the health of your beard and the skin underneath it. Those things are going to absorb into your skin and into the hairs. Whether it is sweet almond oil, meadow foam seed oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, doesn't really matter. Any of those carriers are going to, after a certain point of time, absorb into the skin and into the hair. Now, the fragrance blend is going to absorb somewhat, but what's going to happen is not all of it is going to go into the hair and into the skin, and essentially it's going to dry and leave a little film, a little layer on the skin and on the hair. Now, once you get that film, that layer that's dried with a little bit of water, boom, it comes right back to life again and it gets all of that scent back to you. Now, the fragrance oils do not really absorb at all. So those are really gonna come back strong. Essential oils, especially depending on the type that you have, those are more likely to give you like a little bit of boost, but not a ton, because things like, especially like citrus and mint type ones, they have real small molecules. They're gonna absorb much better. But there are essential oils that will still come back to life again. And a lot of you have experienced this without even realizing it, right? Let's say you wear a beard product through the day, then you go to bed at night, whether you applied nighttime or not, you're getting, let's say, 8 hours of sleep, right? Hopefully. And then you're gonna take a shower in the morning. Maybe it takes you a little while to get ready. That scent is coming back to you, coming back to life in the shower. I know you guys have experienced that. That's the same principle here. So if you want that boost, just get the beard wet. And the reason why it's happening is it's because those fragrances are creating a film or a dried layer on the skin and the hair. That's another reason why it's important for us to regularly wash, nailed it, I hate that word, regularly wash our beards to get rid of those layers that are building up. Now, it's not harmful, it's not a problem, you don't have to worry about clogged pores, it's nothing like that, but it's just super interesting to me why this happens and really kind of breaking it down. So, is this a tip that you use? Is this something you knew, or is this kind of like a light bulb moment where you're like, oh, I feel like in my peripheral brain, I knew this was happening, but I never really thought about it consciously? Well, I want to hear that. Give me your questions, give me your thoughts, you guys. Quick, but hopefully educational video. One more time, my name is Dan C. Bearded. Please stay bearded and stay positive.